We travel all the way to Panchmadi. We travel all the way to Panchmadi, and Sienna Di Costa is the first Rosary Queen of Fatorda. Big round of applause to Sienna. Well, the paperwork is with me. It will be in our files, okay? Anyone would like to ask for a copy? Most welcome. This will remain with the committee. Now, the crown is going to be, she's going to be crowned by our chief guest, Clayton Antonio Barreto. She is going to be crowned Fatorda Sienna Di Costa. My dear friends, and some photographs. Hold on, Clayton, hold on, we want you in the picture. Hold on. A proud moment for the girl from Panchmadi. So confidence wins in the end. That's all I can say. Microwave oven. There's Cosme, a proud husband.
तर हे असलेले आईचे फंक्शन रातचे आता 1:15 जाल्ले आसा आणि आईचो व्हिडिओ तुमकां आवडलोच आसलो. आईचोच व्हिडिओ तुमकां कशें दिसले कमेंट सेक्शनान कळोवपाक विसरनाकात. आणि हे वेमली लोकेशन तुमकां आनीक पळोवपाक जाय जाल्यार म्हाका कमेंट सेक्शनान कळयात. जर तुमकां सगळे वेमली आमी बरे भशेन दाखयतलो. तर मेळ्या तर फुडल्या व्हिडिओन तेन्ना पर्यंत देव बरें करूं तुमी सगळ्यांक. शुभरात्री.